Yeah! Look at him. Wow. Look at him.
Yeah, dude.
Fucking awesome, dude. Practice your starts, dude. Oh, fuck. Whole shot, he said. Wow, look at him.
It's sick, yeah.
You're right, huh?
It's kind of small for right now, but as soon as I get my tractor out here, I'll get this track pretty fixed up.
Yeah.
You can see how the corners are right there. There's
Yeah.
a straight right here.
Look at that, dude. It's a beautiful track.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a couple of doubles over there, but
That's sick, dude.
yeah, that's what I do. I ride.
I know.
I'm a teacher, motivator, starter.
A starter. And a starter.
I'm a starter, yeah. All right, man. Talk to you later.
It's good seeing you, man.
You too. I usually. This is normal. Fucking bites. Why?
Fuck it. Let's use that hot start, bud. Use that hot start.